Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras theorem means in a right angle triangle, the square and the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square and the other two sides. Sum of the square and the other two sides. That is called a Pythagorean theorem. So, Pythagorean theorem means right angle triangle. That is a right angle triangle 90 degree. Right angle triangle into 90 degree. So, Pythagorean theorem formula a square plus b square equal to c square. A plus b equal to c. Then only a square plus b square equal to c square. Pythagoras theorem essential questions. How is the Pythagoras theorem used to identify side length? Side length. When can the Pythagoras theorem be used to solve real life patterns? That is a plus b equal to c. That means a square plus b square equal to c square. Then in a right angle triangle, the square and the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square and the other two sides. Sum of the square and the other two sides. So then to same side is added to the same side. A plus b equal to c square. A plus b equal to c. That means a square plus b square equal to c square. We call it right angle because it contains right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Take a whole triangle, split into two parts. Then one triangle means right angle triangle. The other triangle means left angle triangle. So then only right angle triangle is called a Pythagorean triangle. Right angle triangle is called a Pythagorean triangle. So we call it a right angle because it contains right angle. Because it contains right angle. So right angle means Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem formula a square plus b square equal to c square. A square plus b square equal to c square. The measure of right angle is 90 degree. Measure of the right angle is 90 degree. So right angle triangle is called a 90 degree. 90 degree. So it is easily seen that the square formed with 5 units has 5 into 5 equal to 25. 5 into 5 25. 3 into 3 9. 4 into 4 16. That is called the unit squares respectively. Unit square respectively. So unit square means so side length. For example, 5 units is a side. Then next another side is a 4. So 4 into 4 that is a square shape. 4 into 4 16 square. Then base angle is 3. So 3 into 3 9 square. For example, the 3 side 3 4 5. 3 4 5. That is called 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. Then only add. So 16 plus 9 25. 5 square 25. So 25 equal to 25. That is called a Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem means left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That is called a right angle triangle. Okay. Understood? It is understood or not? Yes. So measure of right angle is 90 degree. Then only left hand side and right hand sides are equal. The little square in the angle tells you it is a right angle. So right angle triangle, that is a square shape. So you can see the arrow, pink color arrow. So near by the square, that is called a 90 degree. The little square in the angle tells you it is a right angle. Pythagoras realized that if you have a right angle, so take a right angle triangle. So already you know that the one example, ma'am told one example 3 4 5. So same pattern of the right angle triangle example. Base is a 4, hypotenuse is a 5, then another side is a 3. So base square. So A, B, C. So 4 is a A, 3 is a B, 5 is a C. So A square plus B square equal to C square. 4 square plus 3 square equal to 5 square. So 4 square means 16 plus 3 square means 9 equal to 5 square 25. Then only you can add. We can add. So 16 plus 9 25 equal to 25. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. And you can square the length of the two sides that make up to the right angle. Length of the two sides that makes a right angle. So you square the length of the two sides. Two sides means 3 and 4. That is called a right angle. Then only hypotenuse means 5. So slope. That is a slope. So both the sides, two sides have a right angle. So 3 square and 4 square. It is true for any right angle. 6 square plus 8 square equal to 10 square. So base is a 6 square, another side is a 8 square, then hypotenuse is 10 square. So AB square, BC square, then equal to CA square. 6 square. 6 square means 6 6 are 36. 8 8s are 64. 10 into 10, 100. So 36 plus 64, 100 equal to 100. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Then only it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. It is understood? The length of the legs are usually called A and B. Length of the legs. So then sides A side and B side. It is called a right angle triangle. It means a Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem formula: A square plus B square equal to C square. A square plus B square equal to C square. That is a Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Then two legs A and B are called Pythagorean theorem. Then right angle triangle. Another name is a right angle triangle. The length of the legs are usually called A and B. The side of across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So side of the, then only that one arrow. So then square shape, then hypotenuse side, that is called a hypotenuse, that is called a right angle triangle. That is called right angle triangle. Then two sides and another one side is a hypotenuse. Opposite side is a hypotenuse. Opposite side is a hypotenuse. A and B. Then two sides. A and B are two sides. Then another side is a hypotenuse. The side across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The side across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Next, A square plus B square equal to C square. Already you know that. A square plus B square equal to C square. Which theorem? Did you know the theorem? Yes, Pythagorean theorem. So A square plus B square equal to C square. Using Pythagorean theorem, then then three sides. Take a three side. So two sides you know that the value. So one side is a 36 and another side is a 48. Then another side is a C square. So we don't have a value. C square. We don't have a value, then C square. So 36 square plus 48 square. 36 square plus 48 square equal to C square. So then all we need to do this, calculate 48 square plus 36 square. So 48 square, 48 into 48, 2304. 36 into 36, 1296. So then only you add it up. 2304 plus 1296. So added the value, we get a value 3600. 3600 equal to C square. So C square value 60 into 60. 60 into 60, 3600. 6 is 36, so then only add to the 2 0, 3600. So we get a value C equal to 60. So another one value of a C equal to 60. Find the length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Length of the diagonal of a rectangle. So diagonal means split into the rectangle. Split into the rectangle, that is called the diagonal. That is called the diagonal. So split into two right angle triangle. Split into the rectangle. Split into the right angle. So that is called the diagonal. So center we can draw one line. So draw one line. So then we take a two right angle triangle. Now we find the value of C. So A equal to 15, B equal to 8. Then find the value of C. So already you know that. So A square plus B square equal to C square. A square plus B square is equal to C square. So A square value 15 square plus B square 8 square equal to C square. So now we find the value of C square. So A square 15 into 15, 225 plus 8 into 8, 64 equal to C square. Then only added. So 225 plus 64, 279. So we get a value 17 square. So C value 17. C value is 17. So diagonal value is 17. A square plus B square equal to C square. A square plus B square equal to C square. 10 square plus B square equal to, we find the value of B square equal to 26 square. So 10 into 10, 100 plus B square equal to 676. So 676 minus 100. So plus 100 goes to right hand side. Right hand side minus 100. 676 minus 100, 576. B square is equal to 576. We get a value B is equal to 24. If the sides of a triangles are in the ratio 5:12:13, then it is right angle triangle. So already you know that the right angle triangle means Pythagorean triangle. So 13 square 169. 5 square 5 into 5, 25. 12 square 12 into 12, 144. So 169 equal to 25 plus 144. Then only added 25 plus 144. So we get a value 132 equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square plus 12 square. 13 square equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So we get a value that is called a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means Pythagorean theorem. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. It is true. So 17 square equal to 289. 15 square equal to 225. 8 square is equal to 64. So left hand side, right hand sides are equal. That is called a Pythagorean triplet. One of the legs of a right angle triangle PQR having angle R equal to 90 degree is PQ. It is false. Why? So angle PQR, QR and RP are two legs. So PQ is the hypotenuse. One of the legs of the right angle PQR having angle R is a 90 degree. 90 degree is PQ. PQ is a 90 degree? No. So PQ is not a 90 degree. that is called the false. That is false. Okay, understood? The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle whose sides are 9 and 40 is 49. 9 and 40 is 49. It is false. So left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That only is true. So left hand side and right hand side is not equal. That is called a that is not equal to. Sorry, not equal to is called a Pythagoras not equal to. So 49 square equal to 40 square plus 9 square. 40 square plus 9 square. So 49 square, 49 into 49, 2401. 9 square, 9 into 9, 81. 40 square, 1600. So 40 square plus 9 square, 1600 plus 81, 1681. Sorry, equal to 1681. Equal to 1681. 49 square equal to 2401. So 2401 is not equal to 1681. It is not a Pythagorean theorem. It is not a Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem means left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That is called a Pythagorean theorem. 8, 15, 17. Take A equal to 8. B equal to 15. C equal to 17. A square plus B square equal to 8 square plus 15 square equal to 64. 8 square 64 plus 225 289. So 17 square equal to 289 equal to C square. A square plus B square equal to C square. By the converse Pythagoras theorem, the triangle with the given measure is a right angle triangle. So first we take a equal to 8, B equal to 15, C equal to 17. A square plus B square equal to 8 square plus 15 square. So 8 square 64 plus 15 square 225 equal to 289. So then added. So 64 plus 225 289. So we get a value 17. C square equal to 17 square. C equal to 17. That is equal. It is a Pythagorean theorem. 12, 13, 15. A equal to 12, B equal to 13 and C equal to 15. A square plus B square. So 12 square plus 13 square. 12 square 144. 13 square 169. So equal to 313. It is equal, not equal. 15 square 225. Not equal to 313. It is not a right angle triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. Did you understand? 30, 40, 50. A is equal to 30, B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 50. A square plus B square equal to 30 square plus 40 square. 30 square 900, 40 square 1600 equal to 2500. 50 square equal to 2500. Then A square plus B square equal to C square. It is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem. That is a left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That only called the Pythagorean theorem. So A equal to 30, B equal to 40, C is equal to 50. A square plus B square equal to C square. 30 square plus 40 square equal to 2500. So 30 square 900 plus 40 square 1600 equal to 2500. A square plus B square equal to C square. It is called a right angle triangle. 9, 40, 41. Take A equal to 9, B equal to 40, C is equal to 41. A square plus B square equal to A square plus B square equal to C square. A square value 9 square. 9 square 81. 40 square 1600. So then added to the 81 plus 1600 we get a value 1681. 41 square value 1681. A square plus B square equal to C square. It is a Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle is called a Pythagoras theorem. A equal to 9, B equal to 40 and C is equal to 41. A square plus B square equal to C square. 9 square 81, 40 square 1600. So added to the 81 plus 1600 we get a value 1681. C square equal to 41 square, 41 square we get a value 1681. So A square plus B square equal to C square. It is a right angle triangle. 24, 45, 51. A is equal to 24, B is equal to 45, C equal to 51. So A square plus B square equal to C square. A square value 24 square plus 45 square equal to C square. So first we added A square plus B square. So 24 square 576, 45 square 2025. So added to the A square plus B square, we get a value 2601. So C square is equal to 51 square. So C value 51 square. So 51 square value 2601. So A square plus B square equal to C square. So converse theorem, the triangle with the given measure is a right angle triangle. Did you understand? A is equal to 24 plus B is equal to 45 equal to 51. So 24 square plus 45 square. So 24 square value 576. 45 square value 2025. So just we get a value 2601. C square equal to 15 square. So 15 square value 2601. So we get a value A square plus B square equal to C square. It is called a Pythagorean theorem. Angle XYZ by Pythagoras theorem. Angle XYZ by the Pythagoras theorem. So first take YZ square, base take YZ square is equal to XY square plus XZ square. XY square plus XZ square. So XY square equal to, so YZ square goes to the left hand side. XZ square transpose to the transpose to the right hand side, we get a value of minus XZ square. So Z square equal to 39 square minus 36 square. 39 square minus 36 square. So 39 into 39 into 39 we get a value 1521 minus 36 square value 1296. So subtracted, just we get a value 225. So we get a value 15 square. 15 square. Z square is equal to 15 square. Z is equal to 15. Z is equal to 15. We get a value Z is equal to 15. Do you understand? YZ square equal to XY square plus XZ square. So XY square, just take a left hand side is a XY square equal to YZ square minus XZ square. So Z square is equal to 39 square minus 36 square. So 39 square value 1521. 36 square value 1296. Subtract, we get a value 225. So 15 square. Z square is equal to 15 square. Z is equal to 15. In the figure, find PR and QR. Solutions. So QR means find the value of X. QR find the value. So then P2R X plus 1. P2Q 7. In the figure, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Isn't it? PQR is a right angle triangle, isn't it? So it is a Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem formula, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So that means A square plus B square is equal to C square. So find the value of PR square. Find the value of PR square. So that means a hypotenuse equal to PQ square plus QR square. So X plus 1 the whole square equal to 7 square. PQ square value 7 square plus QR square value X square. So already you know that A plus B the whole square formula. So A plus B square equal A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So then X plus 1 the whole square, X square plus 2 into X into 1 plus 1 square. Then equal to 7 square 49 plus X square. So X square cancel. X square cancel. So 2 into 2X into 1 2X plus 1 square 1. 2x plus 1 equal to 49. So plus 1 goes to the transpose to my right hand side, minus 1. Minus 1. 2x equal to 49 minus 1. We get a value 48. X equal to 48 divided by 2. We get a value 24. We get a value 24. PR equal to x plus 1. So x value is a 24. So 24 plus 1, 25. Q what? X equal to 24. X equal to 24. So PR x 25. Then P2Q 7. Do you understand? Then next up. From the figure, T is equal to 3 cm. OT is equal to 6 cm. OT is equal to 6 cm. Pythagoras theorem. OA square equal to OT square minus TA square. OT square minus TA square. So subtract 6 square minus 3 square. 6 6 are 36, 3 3 is 9. Hypotenuse h square is equal to height. We find the value height. Hypotenuse h square is equal to 36 minus 9. Sorry, height. 36 minus 9, 27. So by the altitude on hypotenuse theorem, h square is equal to xy. So h square means h square 27 equal to x into 3. X into 3. So x equal to 27 by 3. We get a value 9. So Tg x plus 3. Tg x plus 3. So first we find the x. So a to g x. So t to a plus 3. Sorry, 3. So then when we added x plus 3. So 9 plus 3, 12 centimeter. First take a Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to OT square. So we find the inside triangle. So OAD. Okay. So OA square equal to OT square minus TA square. So 6 square minus 3 square. So 36 minus 9. We get a value 27. So h square is equal to xy. 27 is equal to x into 3. X equal to 27 by 3. We get a value 9. Tg equal to x plus 3 equal to 9 plus 3 equal to 12 centimeter. So thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.